Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss exercise 5.2, which is about the properties of the sets and operation of the sets also. And this is taken from the Punjab Textbook Board, Bahawalpur. Dear students, according to Smart Syllabus, our first question is, if x is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 and 19, y 0, 2, 4, 6 up to so on 20, and z is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 means prime numbers from 2 to 23. Then we will find x union y intersection z. My dear students, this is there are three sets are present over here. First of all, we will, as you know that the maths rule, first of all we will focus on the parenthesis bracket values. So first we will solve the bracket values y union z, and y is the set of the even number from 0 to 20 and z is the set of prime numbers from 2 to 23. There is only one common element which is equals to 2. Now at the end we will find x union y intersection z. So we will write the elements of set x which are odd numbers from 1 to 19 and union of the answer of 2. So when we will combine these sets together, we will get 1, 2 and 3, 5, 7 up to 19. Only one element is even and all the elements are the odd. So next part number 6 is x union y intersection x union z. So first x union y, first of all we will write the elements of set x, then union of y. These are all the odd numbers and these are the even numbers. So when we will combine, then we have the w means whole numbers from 0 to 20. And second bracket is x union z. So we will find x union z, which is 1, 3, 5 up to so on 19 and union of two prime numbers. Then we will get their combination is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 up to 19. All even and odd numbers from 1 to 19 and then only 23. And after that, when we have these two answers, then we will find the intersection between these two answers, these two sets. So we will write x union y intersection y x union z, and then we will find the common elements between these, which are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 up to 19. This is the answer. Part number 7 is x union y x intersection into y union z. First of all, solve the bracket y union z. Y is the even numbers from 0 to 20. Union 2, 3 means odd prime numbers from 2 to 23. Dear students, there are not a sequence between these answers, so that's why we will write all the elements over here. We will write the union of these two sets. So these are the all even numbers and these are the prime numbers. There are some odd numbers are missing, so that's why we will write all the numbers here. First of all, we will write 2, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, some odd numbers and some even numbers. We will write all the numbers over here, and then we will find x intersection y union z. We will write the set of x intersection all complete values of the y union z, and then we will find the common elements. Since these are all the odd numbers, so we will pick odd numbers from this set from 3 to 19. So these are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17 and 19. These are the common elements. So this is the answer. Now next number part is 8, x intersection y union x intersection z. So first of all we will find x intersection y. So elements of x and elements of y. X is the odd numbers and y is the even number. You know that there is no similarity between even and odd, so they are totally different with each other. So there is no common elements between these two sets, so we will write the null set here. And then x intersection y. X intersection y, even odd numbers and the prime numbers. There are some common elements which are present here, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the numbers which are odd as well as they are the prime numbers also. So at the end we will find the x intersection y union x intersection z. So we will write over here x intersection y is a phi set, union of this set. So we will write the answer here. Next question is question number 3, universal set. Universal set is 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10. A is 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 means odd numbers between 10, and B is the prime numbers from 2 to 7. Now we will prove that the De Morgan's law. Dear student, De Morgan's law actually are introduced by the English mathematician whose name is August De Morgan. He has introduced two laws. First law is A intersection B whole complement, which is equals to A complement. If there is intersection, then we will change it into union B complement. And the second law is A union B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. So first of all, we will prove, since this is in equation form, so first we will consider one side and then we will consider second side, and at the end we will combine, we will compare their answers. First we will consider left hand side A intersection B whole complement. So you know that first we will solve bracket A intersection B. Write the elements of set A, which is odd numbers, and intersection set of B, which is prime numbers. So there are only three elements are common, 3, 5 and 7. Now we will take the complement. Complement means we will take the difference of this set from universal set. So write here universal set 1, 2, 3 up to so on 10, difference of this answer, and we will get 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 means we will write numbers from 1 to 10 except these three numbers. This is answer number 1. Now we will move to right hand side, which is A complement union B complement, and you will write first A complement means universal, U difference A. We will write U difference set of A. We will these are the odd numbers, so we will take all odd numbers from here and we will write even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we will find B complement, which is equals to U difference B. Write 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 10. Difference 2, 3, 5, 7. We will write all the numbers from 1 to 10 except these four numbers. So this is B complement. And now we will find the A complement universal B complement union B complement. So write A complement union B complement, answer of A complement union answer of B complement, and then we will find their answer, their union between these two sets. We will combine the common elements, all the elements, and write the common elements once, and this is answer number 2. At the end we will compare that answer number 1 is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and this is also 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So these answers are same, so we can say that this is the as we have proved that both sides are equal. Now move to the second part. We will consider first of all left hand side, and left hand side is equals to A union B whole complement. First we will take A union B, so we will write the all elements over here, and remember that we will write common elements once, and then we will take the difference from A union B from the universal set. Write universal set 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 10 difference 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. We will write all the elements except these elements 4, 6, 8, 10, because these elements are not present in universal but not in this set. So consider right hand side A complement intersection B complement. We will find A complement and B complement like this part, same as it is, and then at the end we will find A complement intersection B complement. So we will find write A complement, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and B complement intersection B complement 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. We will write the common elements between these two sets, these two, and the common elements between, the answer is wrong, I have written it wrong. So we will take the common elements. The common elements between these two sets are 4, 6, 8 and 10. 4, 6, 8 and 10, and this is answer number 2. Now we will compare these two answers. We will write from 1 and 2, we get that all the answers A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement, hence proved. Means the answer of both two values are the same. You can observe it. Also that the answer, second answer is 4, 6, 8, 10, and first answer is also 4, 6, 8, 10. Now move to last question of this exercise. If u is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to so on 20, x is equals to 1, 3, 7, 9, 15, 18, 20 and y is the odd numbers from 1 to 17. Then we will find y difference x is equals to y intersection x complement. First of all, we will consider left hand side y difference x. And y difference x means 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on up to 17. Difference 1, 3, 7, 9, 15, 18 and 20. So we will take the difference. We will write the elements which are present in y, not in x. These are the elements 5, 11, 13 and the 17. Now consider the right hand side y intersection x complement. First of all, we will find x complement means u difference x. Right, elements of u difference elements of x. So this is no sequence between these numbers, so we will write all the numbers 2, 4, 5 up to so on 20, and then we will find y intersection x complement, write y intersection elements of x complement, and then we will find the common elements between these two sets, which are 5, 11, 13 and 17. This is answer number 2. From answer number 1, 5, 11, 13, 17 and 5, 11, 13, 17, answer number 2. From 1 and 2 we can get that y difference x is equals to y intersection x complement. Hence we proved.